How's it going, guys? Just got a quick mail call video today for you from Conjuremama. First up, she sent me a Target exclusive gasser. Been trying to get one of these for a while, so that's awesome. And also a blue 55 gasser. The Hot Wheels Screen Time Ice Charger. Did not have that. Got a Sidekick. Plastic base on this one. We got the Simpsons family car. I did not have this one either. And one of the coolest ones, this old Porsche 959. This is like the Gleam Team, I think it's called. Look how shiny that thing is. Metal on metal. And then this purple tuned Charger Daytona, which we're going to open. Pretty cool. I wasn't going to collect the tuned Daytonas, but I think I am going to now since I have like 3 of them already. And then we've got another wheel variation that I did not have. I'm going to not open this one. I'm going to double check and make sure I don't have this one, but I will crack it open if I do. And same with this one. So those are all from Conjuremama. Thank you very much. And then eBay, I got this lot of 3 Superbirds. Cool green one. And a purple one. I like this one. And this teal. I like this one a lot too. So 3 more added to the collection. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.